How to lock Instagram with Face ID on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to lock Instagram with Face ID on iPhone. Now let's get right into the tutorial. In order to lock Instagram with Face ID, open the Shortcuts application on your device. Just in case if you do not have the Shortcuts application on your device for some reason, then you can easily download the Shortcuts application from the App Store. Once you have opened the Shortcuts app, tap on the automation option on the bottom center of your screen and then tap on the new automation option. Here, you can either tap on the search bar and search for apps, or you can also simply scroll through and search for apps and tap on it. Here, tap on the choose option you see there and further tap on the Instagram option and then tap on done and then on next. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the new blank notification and then tap on the add action button, and in the search bar, search for lock screen and tap on that and then tap on the play button on the bottom right of your screen and finally tap on done. And now, if you go ahead and open Instagram on your device, the Instagram application will be locked automatically. So this is how you can lock Instagram with Face ID on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.